Dr. Berner here with Foundation Chiropractic. We're going to go over different types of animals' atlas bones. The first bone in that neck, what our head sits on, is C1, or known as atlas. A lot of our body parts are named from the Greeks, and the Greek titan holding up the globe, that's where they get the name from, because this little bone right here, this is a human atlas bone. It's about 2 ounces. This is holding up our world, our brain, which is very important. So head sits right here and here. This hole and that hole, that's blood supplied to and from the brain, one of them, okay? And then all the nerves in your body go right through this area. So this bone is so important that it's in the right position. Now we have different animals, similar shapes. This is a deer right here, okay? This big one right here actually belongs to a blue whale. Similar in terms of how these surfaces are, what the head sits on, and how it swims through the ocean, okay? We have different shapes because animals come in all different sizes. This top left one here, this tiny little atlas bone is from a rabbit. Over here is a weasel. Then we have a mink and a nutria down at the bottom right. So those are all those foundational bones, that atlas bone. One of the most crazy looking ones is this one right here. This is a woolly rhino from the Ice Age. So this I actually found online all the way from Ukraine. Very, very old, over 10,000 years old. The head sits right here and here. Now comparing this to a cow's atlas bone. This is the first bone in that neck. So what the head sits on, pretty similar, right? But this one, much, much older. So Dr. Berner, Foundation Chiropractic, atlas, and different types of animal cervical bones.